When did the Vietnam War officially start? What was the capital of South Vietnam? Who was the communist leader of North Vietnam? What was the main goal of the Viet Cong? What event triggered large-scale U.S. involvement? Which U.S. president escalated involvement the most? What was the name of the chemical defoliant used? What was the Tet Offensive? Which U.S. president began the process of Vietnamization? What year did the U.S. withdraw its combat troops? What was the capital of North Vietnam? Who was the president of South Vietnam until 1963? What event happened in 1975 to end the war? What was the Ho Chi Minh Trail used for? What countries did the Ho Chi Minh Trail pass through? What was Operation Rolling Thunder? Which amendment lowered the U.S. voting age during the war? What was the result of the My Lai massacre? What was the main goal of U.S. involvement? What was the name of the 1973 peace agreement? What was the domino theory? What was the anti-war movement's peak year? What did the Pentagon Papers reveal? What university saw students killed during a protest? Who was the U.S. Secretary of Defense under Johnson? What group did the U.S. primarily fight against? What type of warfare did the Viet Cong mainly use? When did the fall of Saigon occur? What was the major U.S. military base near Saigon? What happened to Vietnam after the war?